Hello, this week I chose the book Piggie Pie by Margie Palatini. And this book is about a witch, and her name is Gritch. And she is in the process of creating one of her recipes for one of her famous dishes, which is her favorite, called Piggie Pie. And she's missing the key ingredient, which is 8 plump piggies. And so she goes through the advertisements of a local magazine and finds a farm to go to. And so she proceeds to go there to try to hunt down some pigs for her pie. And the pigs on the farm decide to disguise themselves because they see that she's coming. So they dress up as other farm animals, including dressing up as the actual farmer in order to avoid her. And she's tricked by it. And then at the end, she actually sees a wolf. And so she decides to go after him instead. And then he agrees to go home with her in order for her to eat him. And then turns out he's planning on eating her. So it's kind of a goofy little story, and something that I enjoyed about it that I think children would enjoy too is that it kind of has like a twist on some classics that they're used to. For example, the text can be sung along with the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm. And so that's kind of enjoyable for children to make the connections with this funny story compared to the song that they're used to. And it also makes a reference to the story of the 3 little pigs when the wolf comes in, because he makes a reference to how he was trying to get a hold of 3 of them. And basically, I think it comes down to a classic theme of what goes around comes around, because, I mean, the witch is spending the whole story trying to get a hold of these pigs, trying to be evil to them, and then in the end, she's actually going to be the one who gets eaten by this wolf. So I think, again, it's just kind of a fun story, just kind of a funny little story for children to read that connects to other stories that they're used to and also teaches them a lesson about it. And the activity that I found for this book is just a natural flow chart. And basically this is just a map for students to map out the sequence of the story. And I thought this would be fun for them to do because they can go through and describe each of the disguises that the pigs put together and how those events tie in with each other and go throughout and sequence throughout the story. And this allows for them, like I said, to put their thoughts onto a piece of paper and to be able to map out the story and fully understand what's going on at each event.